Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're interested in making $168 every day, I'm going to show you one website that's paying out that. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you a very simple trick that I use that helps me get everything done so fast, so quick, and you can do it right here online. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money. You're going to have to put some effort into this. So if you do want to get some information on passive income, $200 or $300 consistently on a daily basis, well, click on the link in the description below. I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Every day, I come out with great new videos for you. I come out with home-based business, online jobs, work from home, just tons of stuff to help you have success online. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. There's a bell next to that. You want to click on that because then you get notified of any of the videos that I come out with to you, and I don't want you to miss any of them. So this is a copy and paste system that makes $168 a day, and we can use one simple trick to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you this trick. It's very easy, it's very cool, and you can get up and running with it. But first, what we need to do is we got to set this up. Okay, we got to set it up, and you got to understand how you're going to get paid. Well, you're going to go to a website called Text Broker. Now, what Text Broker is a content creation website. What they do is they bring content creators together with people that are looking for content. They're buying the content, and you are going to become a creator of this. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, how am I going to create content? And the little trick I'll show you makes it super easy. But the one thing you understand is there's a huge demand for content right now. There's blogs, there's videos, there's all kinds of stuff out there. There's Facebook posts. People need content, and a lot of times they don't have the time to actually create the content themselves. So what do? They come to a place like Text Broker, and they buy the content, and they're buying the content like crazy right now. So you as the content creator get to create this content and get to supply this demand out there. So when you go to Text Broker, there's going to be some different options here. You're going to create an account. Once you get in there, they're going to show you a lot of the different jobs out there, a lot of the different offers that are available. They're going to send you payment as soon as you create the content and post it into there. And you get paid through PayPal. You get paid direct deposit. They can send a check out to you. They'll do whatever they can to try to help you get paid for your payment. And what you want to do is you come over to Text Broker. Make sure you hit on I write content. You're not needing content. You are creating the content. So you write the content here. And you come down here and it'll explain exactly what you need to do. But if we look at the payment process right here, we look at the payment here, okay? And this is going to be the different levels of content that you're going to create. There's going to be open orders. So there's people that come into Text Broker that need the content. They're going to post on there. They need this content for a particular blog post. There's a ton of orders in there that need to be filled. You get to come along and do that. Right here, the worst is going to be 2 stars. You get paid 0.07 cents, and then all the way up to 4 stars, even 5 stars, 0.14 cents. Okay. There's open orders, there's direct orders, and there's team orders. Most of the time, you're going to be doing open orders. If you get direct orders, you can post that you're a content creator, and you can post this, and you can get direct orders. With direct orders, you're going to make more money because you created the actual customer. But most of the place where you're going to be is going to be open orders, and you're going to be filling these open orders to this website. Now, if we look down here at this slides schedule here, okay, so let's just say we're creating 4-star quality content. You might be creating 5-star, who knows, but let's just say 4-star creating content. And if you go here to about 3,000 words, going to be about the average. 3,000 words, so that's around $42. If you want to do 4,000 words, that's going to be $54. Okay, so $56 times 3 is going to give you about $168. You could theoretically do maybe 5 of these a day. At the minimum, 3 articles per day on the open orders. Okay, but if you look at this, if you did 5-star quality content, you're going to be getting paid $200 for this. So you could get paid a lot. But let's just say that you're only doing 4-star quality content. Now, you're probably looking at this going, I don't really know how to type. I don't really know what I'm going to do. Well, let me show you a simple trick that you can use with these free tools. You can use these free tools online. If you go to Google Docs. Okay, Google Drive. If you have a Gmail account, you can go to Google and you can get Drive. Drive is free. It's a free program online. You just go in there and you get into Google Drive, and they have what they call Google Docs. So Google Docs is just writing content. So, I would write content here. Okay, but this is so slow. It could take forever to try to build this content up. So what we can do is with this simple trick is you're going to need a microphone for this. Now you don't need a fancy microphone like this. You could take your headphones like this through your smartphone. This is my Apple headphones. There's a mic right here on this, okay, on this center part right here. You can take this and use this as a microphone. If you have an Android phone, you got some headphones with a microphone built in. You can use this in your computer. But if you have a fancy dancy microphone like this, I mean, I think I paid $30 for this microphone on Amazon. You don't have to do it. You can use your headphones with the mic inside. So what we do is you go to Tools, and it says Voice Typing right here. There's gonna be a little window that pops up. And what you're gonna do is click on this and start talking. When you start talking, it's going to type everything that you type onto your, or everything that you talk into your microphone. It's gonna type. So instead of typing all day, you can talk, and it'll type out the words for you. So I have an article that I wrote before, and I'm just going to read this off to you to show you exactly how this works. So you're going to click on this. Making money online is something that seems impossible, comma, especially if you don't know how much about it, period. But, comma, it is easier than you might imagine, comma, as long as you have the desire to make money, period. This article contains information that will help you to do just that, period. If owning your own blog is a bit time consuming, comma, but you would still like to write and earn money, comma, think about creating articles for existing blogs, period. There are several out there, comma, including weblogs and paper post, period. With a little research and a bit of initiative, comma, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time, period. Now, obviously, I mean, you can see how quickly I'm writing this content. Whoa, let's stop. All right. So you can see how quickly I am creating this content. And you can go back here and you could put in some paragraphs here. But you can continue on with this. I mean, let's if I keep going, consider the things you already do, comma, be the hobbies or chores, and consider how you use those talents online, period. If you make your children's clothing, comma, make 2 each and sell the extra on the internet, period. Love to bake, offer your skills through a website and people will hire you, exclamation point. So there you go. You could see how you could create a 4,000 words very quickly just by talking into your mic. If you have something already written, you can write it out. If you're just thinking out of your head, you just start talking in your mic, and it starts to create the content for you. And then all you have to do is just come back in here, and you can add paragraphs in here. So if you wanted to add, let's say, a paragraph here like this, probably not there, but let's do like right here. Let's do a paragraph there. Okay, so that's a paragraph. So this is what you do. You create the content. You can have this done. You could have 3 of these everyday articles written out. Now all you have to do is you just come in here and you highlight this whole thing. You click on your right and you click on copy. It copies right to your desktop. And now what you do is you come back in here to your text broker account and you post that article there. Then you're done. All right. So you copy and paste this, copy this, and you're going to paste it right into your text broker account as soon as your article is done. Once that's uploaded, you come back here, then you can just erase all this. You could turn on your mic again, start talking. You talk until you get about 4,000 words. Once that's done, you copy and paste just like this. Copy this, go into your text broker, paste it, and you're done. You can do this 3 a day, making you a total of $168 a day with your articles that you post. Very quickly, very easily, and you can get those up there. Okay, so that's it. That's the copy and paste system. There's not much to it. It's just a matter of you just taking the time to do this And this could maybe an hour of your day, 30 minutes, whatever it takes you to talk and get that onto your articles. All right. So if you want to get some information on passive income, make sure you hit the link in the description below. I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you like this, make sure you like it, and we will see you on the next one.